We are on day 4 of logarithms. Our learning target today says I can solve logarithmic equations when they are log equals log. So let's look at what that means. There are two types of equations involving logarithms. Today we're only looking at one, tomorrow we will look at the other. So today says a log on both sides, where log of A equals log of A, and from there you can set log of A equals log of B, and from there you can set A equals B. So what must you do first? You need to use your log properties to rewrite any multiple logarithms as a single logarithm. So we're going to have to condense, like we talked about yesterday, before we can move forward. Our first example here, log base 4 of 3x minus 7 equals log base 4 of x plus 11. There's only one logarithm on either side. There's nothing to condense. So we can go right ahead and set what we were calling A and B equal to each other, since they are the same base. So we have 3x minus 7 equals x plus 11. Then it just becomes an algebra equation. We're going to subtract x on both sides. We're going to add 7 on both sides. 2x equals 18. So x equals 9. This equation here says 2 times log base 3 of x equals log base 3 of 9. So we do need to have one condensing step in here before we can simplify, and we're going to move that multiplier in the front up to the exponent. So we can rewrite as log base 3 of x squared equals log base 3 of 9. Then we can go ahead and set each piece equal to each other. X squared, that's a 2, equals 9, so x equals 3. We didn't have to do too much condensing there, but let's look at a few more examples. We'll start with log base 2 of x plus log base 2 of x plus 3 equals log base 2 of 4. We're going to have to condense this a little bit before we can go on. So we have a log plus another log. We know that that means we're multiplying. So log base 2 of x times x plus 3 equals log base 2 of 4. We can rewrite that then. We've gotten rid of all of the extra logs. Everything's all condensed, so we can rewrite it as x times x plus 3 equals 4. We'll distribute our x. Since we have the x squared, we're going to want to get everything on the same side. So we can factor. I know, factor, we love doing that. So we have x squared plus 3x minus 4 equals 0. We can simplify or factor it out, add our parentheses. We need a plus on the 4, a minus on the 1, still equals 0. So we know that x equals 1, or x equals minus 4. And here are our two answers. And one final example. Natural log of x plus 5 minus the natural log of x equals the natural log of 6. We're subtracting here, so that's the same when we condense them as division. So we've got natural log of x plus 5 over x equals the natural log of 6. So then we can set x plus 5 over x equals 6. Multiply both sides by x. We end up with x plus 5 equals 6x. So x will equal 1. So the key takeaways here, we're always going to have a log equals a log, and once you've condensed them all of the way, then you can set each piece equal to the other pieces without the log and solve for your variable.